Back in Colorado, baby, 17 years we were childish playing. We had time to make good night.
So here we just have some sweet potato. We have some falafels. Potato is basically just like salad. Got some curry with like cashews and mushrooms and stuff. Yes. So here we have a stir fry. We've got just some steamed broccoli. And here, this is a mix of rice, the veggie meat stuff. There are also some vegetables in there and just rice. Oh yeah, and I think it's katsu sauce. I think my mum found some katsu sauce, which is funny. So today, I'm here with my friend Lucy.
Hello.
Lucy was actually head girl before I was at my school. Yeah. And we've just got a cute little vegan meal. Do you want to talk me through today's meal?
Okay, so we've got some pizza, and then we've got like some fried mushrooms, fried tomatoes, fried spinach. It like disappears, it's so nice. On flatbread and some avocado. It's very nice.
Beautiful. Oh, and some seasoning.
Yeah.
So today's dinner, we've got some vegetables. We've got some sweet potato with a special mum mix. I'm sharing this with mum, so we've each got half of one of these burgers. So this is a beetroot one and this is a chickpea one. So here we have, this is basically like meatloaf. Got some veg, got a sausage and a burger and some like leftover curry stuff. Basically we're defrosting the freezer, so we have to use up all of our fake meats that we still had in the freezer. So today we have a vegetable samosa, quinoa, however you want to say it. We've got so this is like vegetable shawarma meat, which is really, like honestly, highly recommend it. Got some corn and some asparagus and broccoli, which is lovely. I'm currently packing for interrailing, so the table's a bit shambly, but yes. Look how good this looks. Oh. This is the before shot. And this is vegan cheese. Look at this soup. Oh. We've got a pro chef on our hands. So I've got some vegetable skewers, some dal, some curry, some rice, and some like naan bread. This is like the ultimate Indian feast. I've basically been eating this and I've got to take a video of it. But I've got some veg, I've got some leek, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, potatoes, and like a vegan burger thing. So we have got a very gourmet meal prepared by yours truly.
Amazing.
Just got some chopped carrots and spinach with tahini and celery. Creds to Ruby. And we've got a jacket sweet potato, baked beans, and some hummus. Okay, I'm actually proper impressed with how that turned out. That looks so good. Got my stir-fried veg with my mystery sauce. Got my half an avocado, which is left over from yesterday, and some easy microwavable rice. Yes, easy vegan. Okay, so we've got this amazing chili that we made here. This is Rachel. Is it good? Okay, so I didn't realise just how messy it was until like I just took a step back. Bit of a mess, mate. Roast vegetables, like really random roast vegetables. And now I've just decided to also do some Ryvita thins and make guacamole. And it's a perfect avocado. Oh, homemade guacamole and Ryvita thins. Oh, what a treat. Oh, look at these roasted vegetables, it looks so good. Tomato sauce. Got a good stir fry. And I'm really intrigued to try broccoli rice. Today's dinner, we've got a classic stir fry with tomato sauce and some broccoli rice. And I'm also gonna have some spring rolls. So that is the meal. I've got pulled jackfruit. Oh, what a treat. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful.
I can't do anything without filming it.
This is like cozy.
What memories of the time
time I got.
So, Leon, I've got cheeky vegan donut. Classic. I've got some buckwheat pasta, some lentil sauce, and veggie bratwurst with sauerkraut and chips. Not bad, not bad. Those hefty fries. Yay! And it's a mess. So I've just been for a run and I'm having this massive salad. I've got some like mushroom pie, vegan pie, some like beetroot sauerkraut, some avocado, leaves, hummus. So I made some vegan banana bread yesterday. I did already eat a cheeky bit of it, but I'm just gonna go for a slice. Hard to do with one hand. So we just microwaved these and now we're gonna build. Fill it with a bunch of rice. That
does look good.
Is how you make a British vegan taco. Oh, yes! All vegan! So today's dinner, we've got some potatoes with like herbs, like rosemary and stuff. Just got some broccoli. And we've got like, this is chickpeas. So today we have a shepherd's pie. We have some carrots and some sweet potato and some peppers and a vegan sausage. Oh, she's doing today. She's looking lovely.
Oh, thank you.
I had a late lunch, so I'm actually not that hungry, but I have got some pittas with some hummus bread on the inside, some spinach leaves, and then some lentils, chickpeas, and mushrooms, like curried. Yes, quick and easy. Super easy, lazy meal. I've got some pasta, stir-fried veg, and sauce. Classic Jade meal, easy. And I also had miso soup as a starter, which is just the easiest thing ever to make. I would pay good money for a porridge like this. Look how beautiful. Oh. And it has sultanas. So I've got a smoothie bowl here. This isn't dinner, this is like brunch, but I thought I'd film it anyway because it looks cute. So the reason the smoothie is green is it's frozen banana, half an avocado, some berries, but the green stuff is from spirulina and wheatgrass powder. And then we've got some banana, blueberries, which are huge blueberries, like huge, some pomegranate and some chia seeds. And some like cocoa nibs.